Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to turn off and turn on Google search safe mode. So just I am open a browser, so click Windows wallpaper search. So guys, if you see quick settings, so I click quick settings and safe search and click off. So this feature of turn off safe search off now is off. Okay, the help blur expletive image, but expletive text and link may be shown. So upside the filter helps filter out expletive image, text or link. So safe search filter is on. So now I'm off and back, and automatically save your safe browser. So save off and blur export and more about safe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this button. So goodbye, next time chat with another new video.